Thank you! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 6 months ago when I was coming up with the idea of starting a small channel about the Ford Probe, I never thought to get 100 subscribers, let alone in 6 months. So again, I just want to thank everybody for enjoying my channel, my little channel, and long live the Ford Probe. Yeah, thank you! Okay, I just got it in. Actually, it looks pretty perfect. So all the people that I watched on YouTube, I centered it really nice. It slides in and out really easy. So I'm just gonna torque it down now with my torque wrench, and then man, then I gotta try to get that thing connected. So I'm ready to start the installation of the transmission back to the engine. Hopefully I can do it. I have it all ready. Got it on the jack stand or the transmission stand. I rerouted all the hydraulic lines for the slave cylinder and the new hose. Now I'm just adding some of the fresh trans fluid to the new transmission. And I rigged up this little thing with a hose and a funnel and added some of the royal purple. I thought it was pretty good. It's kind of expensive. So I hope this transmission works. I thought I was so clever with my funnel and hose method to add the transmission fluid, but I forgot that I didn't put the axle in all the way. So half of it only leaked all out and on the floor. I mean, that's just part of the puddle. I actually cleaned up a lot more earlier. So I gotta snap that axle in. Hopefully it'll go in fairly easy. So yeah, so little by little, it's getting close. I'm gonna do this side motor mount right now. I am so close to getting this thing buttoned up, but I can't snap the CV axle back in. I think the retainer clip is messed up. So I'm gonna have to replace the whole axle, which is fine. It's like 20 years old, so it probably needs replacing. So I'll give that a shot. And the part I was worried about the most was the rear motor mount, but I was able to get all the bolts started, so I'll tighten them up. So that's good news. So I lined everything up, and I got the new shifter in there. So everything's looking good. I just gotta get the CV axle in, probably get a new one.